when we were doing the old book, we found that that this was the zero. The zero of the polynomial was when the polynomial became zero. At that value of x, the polynomial became zero. That means if I were to find the polynomial of this 2x plus 1, I at what 0 means at what x value the polynomial becomes equal to 0. That means px is equal to 0. That means 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means we solve it and find 2x. It is an equation. We take it here. X is minus 1. Now this is called the 0. This is also called 0 of the polynomial. It is also called solution of the polynomial. It is also called the root of polynomial. It is also called the x-intercept. Now, why is it called the x? So, it is called 0, solution, root, and x-intercept. Now, see, if I show you the new book, this point is the x-intercept. That means, acha, was this point was the y-intercept. Now, this is where y becomes 0. Y becomes 0. Because at this point, y will become 0. You see, what are these? These are x and y. At this, what's the coordinate of this point? This coordinate is minus half comma 0. That means x is minus half, y will be 0. That means it is the 0 of the polynomial. This is the x-intercept is the, this x-intercept is the root of the polynomial. This is the 0 of the polynomial, the solution of the polynomial. Solution of the equation. This is an equation. This is a polynomial. This is an equation. Y-intercept is 1, x-intercept is minus half. This is the root 0 of the polynomial or the solution of the equation or the root of the polynomial. So always remember, you will have the y-intercept is different. That is y is equal to mx plus c. This is the, this is the, this is when you equate this equal to 0. And the x-intercept is minus c by m. In our case, it is the equation was 2x plus 1, c was minus 1 and slope was 2 is minus half. So now you know what is the y-intercept and what is the x-intercept and what are the zeros, how are they connected. The other thing you should know is the polynomial. The linear will always give a straight line. The quadratic will always give a parabola and the cubic will always give a curve like this. The other thing you will know is that this has got two roots. The quadratic, the linear has one root. Sometimes the quadratic can even have zero roots, but I will tell you the situations. But if maximum it can have two, and cubic maximum can have three. So these are the curves, and these are the quadratic, cubic, curves, and linear, and how many roots it has. So this you should know. This you should know. Acha, then we come to another thing.